Hello learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss 2022 O-Level 12th question. Let's read it first. An incomplete Venn diagram drawn to represent the information collected from 60 homes in a certain location on the use of firewood, gas and electricity to prepare food is shown below. Okay, now they have given information collected from 60 homes. It means the universal set is 60. Okay, all the homes that use electricity also use the two types of firewood and gas. It means all the homes that use electricity also use the two types of firewood and gas. Then we can see a subset. So the electricity is the subset of those two types of firewood and gas. So C should be electricity. They have given that information. Electricity. Okay. Let's move to the first question. Copy the given Venn diagram onto your answer script. The first one you should have to do it. Copy the Venn diagram onto your answer sheet. So they are asking if the set A denotes the homes that use firewood, name the set B and the set C. Okay, they have given A denotes to home, the homes that use firewood. Then it should be A firewood. Okay, now they are asking the set B and C. C we have already found it as their information, so B should be the gas. Okay, for the first answer we can write B. For the first answer we can write B as homes that use gas, and C homes that use electricity. Okay, now let's move to the second question. The number of homes that do not use any one of firewood, electricity and gas is 5. The number of homes that do not use any one of firewood, electricity and gas, then it means that 5 is not into these circles, so it should be in outside it but in the universal set. Okay, the number of homes that use firewood is 24 and the number of homes that use gas is 48. How many homes use only gas? Okay, let's mark given details. Homes that use firewood is 24. Let's mark it here on the circle. Firewood, and gas is 48. Let's mark it here, 48. Now they are asking to find out the value of homes use only gas. Only gas means you are asked to find out this region. Okay, let's see how we can find it. Now you see, when we subtract this from the total, you will get this region, and also we should subtract it. We should subtract this also, because this one also in that 60, no? So 60 minus 24 plus 5. 60 minus 29, you will get the answer 31. Okay, let's move to the next question. 31. Yeah, let's mark it here. Okay. How many homes use both firewood and gas? They are asking intersection of A and B. It means this area, this region. They are asking this region. We can find it. Now we know two elements of here. So when we subtract 31 from 48, you will get answer for this one. 48 minus 31, you will get 17. 17 is the intersection of A and B. 17, intersection of A and B. Okay, let's move to the next question, the last one, fourth one. The number of homes that use electricity is equal to the number of homes that use only firewood. Okay, it means if electricity is X, the number of homes that use only firewood means this region. These two are equal. So if this is X, this should be X. How many homes use only the two methods, firewood and gas? Shade the region that represents these homes in the Venn diagram. Now they are asking only firewood and gas, only those two methods. It means it shouldn't be in the electricity. Okay. Now we know the value of this intersection of firewood and gas and also the value of using firewood. So when we subtract it, we will get the value of X. Let's find it first. 24 minus 17, you will get the answer 7. So it means only using firewood, X. It's 7. So if this is 7, this value also 7. Now you are asked to find out value of this region. Now you know the value of this region. It's 17. So it's 17. So when we subtract it from that, you will get the answer. 17 minus 7, you will get the answer 10. 10 homes only use those two methods. Two methods are firewood and gas. So you are asked to shade it, right? Shade the region that represents these homes in Venn diagram. Okay. You are asked to shade it. Okay. Now see how the marks are given. For the first question, for the copy this Venn diagram into your answer sheet, you will get 1 mark. And also identify B and C, you will get 1 for each, total 3 marks. For the second question also, you will get 2 marks, 1 for each. And also third one also, you will get 2 marks, 1 for each. Fourth one, you will get 3 marks to find out this value of X and those 2 steps. 3 marks. 3, 5, 7 and 10. Yeah, the total is 10. I hope you understood this question well. If there's any question, you can comment it down and let's see in next video. Thank you.